Hello and welcome to Mafalaza Lifestyle Kitchen. Today I decided to go a little bit traditional. I'm going to be making Morogo Stew with a modern twist. So this is what you will need. It's chopped onion, dried morogo, grated tomato, brown onion soup, and you also need a stock cube, some water, and olive oil. So I'm just going to dash a bit of olive oil in the pot. That's enough. That's generous. And what we do, let it heat up a little bit, and we're going to fry the onion, saute it, make it a bit softer, but it should not burn. Looks like the onion is coming all right, so I'm going to put in the beef stock. Okay, so I'm gonna mix in the morogo into the grated tomato. And off it goes into the onions. And here we have that brown onion. It's going to be mixed with water. Just be generous about it. Then it goes into the morogo. Now we're going to leave it to simmer. I'll cover it. So now we're going to check on the stew. Oh, it looks like it's ready. Ah, nice, nice. It's ready. I'm going to serve it. Remember, I can serve this with pap. It's very nice with pap. I'm going to add a little bit of acha just to give it a twist.